el alfabeto. We're going to look more closely at the Spanish alphabet. Mainly the letters that we don't have in the English alphabet are letters that are different from our letters in the English alphabet. Here you can see all the letters of the Spanish alphabet. It does include the 26 letters from the English alphabet plus additional letters. So we have things that we don't have in the English alphabet, like che, ella, ñ, and r. Okay. These are letters that we either don't have in the English alphabet or that are a little bit different than the letters that we have in the English alphabet. The first one is de. It looks like our English letter D, however, it has a hard TH sound, more like the TH in the word they than a D sound. So if you see it in a word like tarde, it makes more of a TH sound than a D sound. And you'll find some words that you thought were difficult to pronounce when you try and put that D in there are a lot easier when you pronounce it correctly. The next letter is che. While we don't have this as a letter in our alphabet, we do have this sound in our in our language, in English. The che makes the same CH sound that the English combination ch makes. So like the CH in church. And this word in Spanish, chico. This next letter is called he. He has two different sounds in Spanish. If it's followed by a, o, or u, it sounds like ga, go, gu. If it's followed by e or I, it makes a soft sound like he or he. So here's two examples in Spanish. Gato and general. Okay. H. This letter in Spanish is silent. It is never pronounced. You see it in words like hola and hotel. Notice that I did not say hola or hotel. That's because that letter is silent and we don't ever say it. The next letter. This letter is called jota. Jota makes the sound of an English H. So you've seen it in words like jalapeno. I know some people think it's funny to say jalapeno or things like that, but it's jalapeno. The next letter is ella. The ella makes the English Y sound like ya. You'll see it in words like llamo. Now there are some areas where the ella actually makes a J sound, or English J sound, an English J sound. I know in Argentina for sure this ella has transformed into a J sound, so it would sound like llamo. The next letter is ñ. Ñ is like an N, and it has this little squiggly on top. That squiggly is called a tilde. Tilde. Ñ makes a combination NY sound, ñ, kind of like in the word canyon. That's our English word, canyon. And you've seen it in words like piñata. Next we have R. R is a rolling R sound. It can be called a trilled R or a rolling R. You'll find it in words like perro. This sound can be difficult for some native English speakers because it's not a sound that we have in our alphabet, and so sometimes it can be a challenge. Some people it comes real easy, other people really have to work at it. But if you practice, it'll get better. This letter is called zeta. Zeta looks like our English Z, but it makes the S sound in Spanish. So if you see it in this word, pizarro, notice it sounds like a S, not a Z sound. It's not pizarro, it's pizarro. Okay, and these are the consonants that are different from our English. Let's look at the vowels real quick. Just a reminder about the vowels. The vowels in Spanish are really nice because their sound is their name. So for example, This letter name is A. That's how we pronounce it, A. But it's also the sound that it makes. In English, our vowels could have many different sounds, but in Spanish, it has one sound. The vowel sounds in Spanish only change if there's a combination of vowels, but you don't have to worry about that at this point. So right now, okay, this is A, E, I, O, U. When I was learning Spanish, I thought, man, the Spanish people are so confused. They call this A, and they call this A, and they call this E. Well, this should be A, and this should be E, but that's not the way it is. In Spanish, this is A, E, I, O, U. So, maybe not like do here. Maybe like do. Okay, we do have a little saying that we use in Spanish. Man, I keep messing my accent marks. Okay, and this is how it goes. A, E, I, O, U, un burro sabe más que tú. So what does that mean? It means a donkey knows more than you. It's just a fun little phrase to help you remember the vowel sounds because it does hold all the different vowel sounds in the little phrase. So one more time. A, E, I, O, U, un burro sabe más que tú. And we'll go over that in class as well. Okay, so let's look back at the Spanish alphabet one more time. Go over all the letters. Here we go. Repitan, por favor. That means repeat, please. A, B, C, Ch, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, E, M, N, Ñ, O, P, Q, R, R, S, T, U, V, W o W, X, Y o Y, Z. Ahora, ustedes, yo sé el alfabeto. Olé.